Hi guys, I'm going to talk with you about the cup. Not the World Cup, but the cup noodles, which is what we'll be looking at for these next few episodes. And today we start with Hong Kong winner noodles. At least they're called winner, but are they?
Those of you who still had their eyes closed since last episode should open them now to discover that we are in fact not dealing with a cup, but rather with a tray that has a lid. However, if something was called tray noodles, I would imagine an amount of food that I couldn't finish if I invited the entire crew of Sesame Street. Tray sounds daunting, cup sounds manageable. Deciphering what this product is actually called felt like using all three of my lifelines on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Finding the company's name, Winner Food Products, was easy, but I had to peel off the sticker to find the doll brand. Google Translate helped me to find the flavor, Typhoon Shelter Aftertaste, though that's clearly a fluke. And then finally my friend Yuna translated these characters for me. It says, King of Fried Noodles. Maybe overconfident, maybe not. Long story short, these are garlic and chili flavored noodles. And if I had to guess, then we're going to eat them as a soup. If this was still Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, then this final answer would have cost me the show and my chance at winning $1 million. However, I would have learned something. Now, which do you think is more valuable? As for Winner Food Products, their philosophy is to achieve the highest level of product quality. Now will you look at this? There aren't simply instructions on the back. The whole package is designed to guide you through the experience, showing you how far to open the lid and where to place your thumbs when draining the water. Steps and ingredients are all named and numbered. I mean, I'll try, but I literally think I cannot mess this up. I pull open the lid and fold it along the dotted line to take out the wet and dry ingredients. After pouring boiling hot water till the mark, it closes up neatly so that I can let the noodles soften. Tearing open the other side of the lid, I hesitate where to place my thumbs, purely for comic effect. I knew I had to place them on number 4. I've played Twister before, guys. Thumbs on yellow. When all hazards have been dealt with, I peel off the entire lid to add the soy sauce mixture and the dried chili and bok choy. Doesn't that match the serving suggestions perfectly? I wouldn't mind being stuck in a typhoon shelter with a couple of these.
Wheat noodles are my favorite. And the garlic chili sauce that they put on here is very nice. But what about the ratings? Are these winner noodles from Hong Kong really winners? Let's have a look. They have a basic chili garlic flavor, but it's been executed well. It's nicely balanced. 1 chopstick. I expected these noodles to be wet, but they turn out to be dry. 2nd point. The instructions on the box are great, not just for preparing the noodles well, but also for protecting yourself against burning your fingers. One of the packages promises a pleasant mouthfeel, and it did deliver on that thanks to the crunchy garlic. And because I'm overwhelmed in every possible way, they get the 5th and final chopstick. So these are the first noodles on Noodles Unboxed to receive 5 out of 5 chopsticks. So they really are a winner. If you want to be a winner too, click like or subscribe, because as soon as we reach 100 subscribers, we'll have a little contest of our own. And maybe you don't like noodles at all, but you still like this video, please click like and subscribe. And then I'll see you next time for when we unbox some more noodles. Bye. And I'm not moving. I'm staying right here. Until it gets awkward. Which is about now.